Good Tuesday morning, Random Fam. Welcome back to my channel with another random video. I'm currently driving right now, and yeah, it looks like we still have remnants from the past 3 days. Well, I'm lying, more than 3 days. I believe it's been Friday night to Saturday, and then until now. And it's just pouring down, raining, guys, as you guys can see. Everybody that's out there that's being affected by Ian, if you don't need to be outside, don't be outside. Stay at home, be safe, but if you have no choice, just be careful getting around, because it's literally coming down right now, man. It's not even funny. It's like you got people just driving, and just everybody just trying to get around and get to where they gotta get to ASAP, you know. And it's just like, me, I'm trying to get around as well. I got my snubber right here, but I gotta make sure I don't drive into oncoming traffic instead. So guys, like I said, just be safe out there, and be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more videos. Be safe out here, and enjoy the rest of your day. Hey, Random Fam. Yeah, like I said, this is a super downpour down here, man. It's just like, whoo. I just parked where I need to go, grabbing some food for breakfast. So, like I said, just be safe out there, guys. All right. Have a wonderful day. Like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget, you gotta hit the like button, guys. You're watching, but you're not hitting the like button. Come on, show me some love in my videos. I appreciate you guys, though. Thank you. Like I said, safe day. Be safe. If you don't need to be outside, don't be outside. All right. Take care, guys. Bye. Thanks for watching again.